Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. So in this video, we're going to create the Livewire application. Now, I just want to leave a side note right there. I'm going to do the videos as if you guys are new to the framework. So if you guys understand it, you can kindly just skip ahead in these videos or don't even watch this right here until we get to the more complicated parts. But there is some folks that are new to the framework, so please bear with us. Right, there's a couple of things that we going to be add to the series as requested by our viewers. The first one is the real-time validation. We're going to do that, pagination and searching and multi-column filtering. So if you guys want to add anything else, please let me know in the comment section and we will do it. So this series might just, instead of being just a short one, we might prolong it for those that want to learn extra things as well. All right, so let's get started with our routes. All right, so this is a standard route that we use in Laravel. So this is a standard get route. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the route, we're going to go to tags, and then we're going to go to the controller class, and then we're going to go to the index method in that controller, and then we have the name for that route as index. Now, in order to create one for Livewire, we just do a route. We still have the same get, right, and we still have the same name, how we would add the URL. Okay, so like this. Now the other thing that we do is now we just mention the class of that name. So in this case we had a tag class like this, and then we can still add the name right here for the route. Okay, as let's say we just call it tags like that. Now, this is very important. If you're using your class like this, you have to make sure you bring it in, import it at the top, right here, this one. But don't import the model. Okay, this is referencing the Livewire class right there. Okay, so if you do that, you can either import the class at the top, or you can reference the full path to the class like this. Okay, so you can do either or. This kind of make my routes look very cluttered, so I don't like to do this. So I rather import it at the top because it makes it quite easier for me right there. Okay, so as you can see, my class is right there. Okay. So another thing that you can do, you can use a route group. Now let's say for our tags we had middleware. Now let's quickly create a route group with a prefix and a route name. So let's quickly do that. Okay, I'm just going to call this one tags. So as you can see, right now we've got a prefix of tags. So we can actually remove this right here and just put a / like that. Now we have a prefix of tags and we got a route name as tags dot. So instead of tags right here, we can just call it index. Or we can even remove it right there. Okay. Right. So now the next thing, let's say we want to add authenticated middleware. Okay, so I'm just going to add the tags in there. I'm going to remove the route name. I'm going to leave the prefix. And what I can do now is I can just add the middleware like this. So I'm going to add middleware. Now, let's say you want to have the default middleware, the authenticated one, and the email must be verified. We can just add it like this and verify. So now what will happen is, before we access that Livewire route, we have to go through the middleware to make sure the person is authenticated and verified. So even if you have created a custom middleware, you can still reference it right here. Okay, and as you can see, the prefix of tags, so you can obviously leave it like that. Okay, so if you, let's say you don't even need the prefix right here, so what you can do, you can still add your tags in there, and you can just create a route group with the middleware of auth, and you can add all your different Livewire classes right here. Okay, so that's it for us. So if you guys have any questions, please ask them for me in the comment section. I'll gladly respond to them. And if you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you have anything else you want to add to the series, please leave it for me in the comment section. I'll gladly add them. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment, feedback, suggestions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.